Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my extreme clean with me. As you can see, I'm about to tackle the family room, and there's a lot going on in here. Basically, my son was playing, and this is what he does. He throws everything out of his bin. Toys, pillows are everywhere, so I'm basically going to go ahead and get everything picked up off the floor so I can get ahead and start cleaning.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Does anyone else have toddlers or small kids and this is their usual situation? If so, leave a comment below.
I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever.
Here I'm basically just wiping off the cushions and the pillows with a damp rag to get up any type of food stains or any spillage that was left from the kids, sitting there sometimes snacking. Things get wasted on the sofa, so I'm glad that I can go ahead and wipe that off. Quick and easy to clean it back up.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
I just wanted to thank you guys for coming back and watching part 2 of my extreme clean video, and also my little mini fall, home decor video. I really appreciate you guys checking out my videos and, helping my channel grow. And remember to subscribe and click like.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay, don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
Right now I'm just setting up the ladder so I can go ahead and wipe off that ledge. You can imagine the amount of dust that was up there, and as I said before, no matter how much I dust or clean, there always seems to be a buildup of dust, no matter how much we change the filters and things like that. So I'm glad that I went up there and wiped off that ledge again. And that wreath was actually on my front door. I had it on there with caban strips, but unfortunately one of them kept falling off, so I went ahead and just put them up there for a little decoration. And I said I would go ahead and use these to actually redecorate for my fall haul. Although you didn't see it in this video because I could not reach that middle portion, I actually had my husband go up there to clean that part off since my arms weren't long enough to reach that part.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. I've got making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
I love this mirror, which we got from Home Goods a couple of years ago, or a few years ago I should say. But this wall needs something more. The wall is so big and long, so I'm still trying to figure out what type of pictures or things I want to do to decorate that wall.
drive.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a lie ain't easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is tainted, yeah, tainted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the We're out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end.
Here I'm just taking a rag with the multi-surface cleaner and just wiping off these stools. This is where the kids usually sit to, do their meals, hang out, or, homework and things like that. So it gets a lot of fingerprints and things on it. So I'm just wiping it off and making sure there's no food or crumbs stuck on there. And once again, just please disregard those boxes in the corner. My husband is working on the car in the garage, so those will be moved soon. So this is the finished product. I left the ladder in the corner so when Jay comes inside he can wipe off the shelf for me. And this is what it's looking like so far. Again, minus the eyesore in the corner over there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the decorating process. Here are some items that I have from Target that I was going to do a haul on, but decided to just do everything in the same video. The silver pumpkin right there that I have, that was $24. That candlelight picked up was $9. This one as well, the pumpkin, bourbon pumpkin was $9.99. That tray was actually the tray was $19.99. The small flowers was $17.99, and the tall flowers were $24.99. I'll link everything below. These eucalyptus plants I got today from Walmart. They were $3. That cloth basically was $4.99. The grateful sign was, I believe, 98 cents. And these items here were purchased from the Dollar Tree this morning. I'm going to use those right there to update the wreaths right there. That was also from the dollar store. And then that was from the dollar store as well. These are the wreaths that I had on the front door that I DIY'd myself, and I'm just going to go ahead and reuse those to make the new wreaths to put back up there for decoration. This letterboard was, I believe, $12.99 also from Target. And then that vase, as you saw before, I've had before from, I believe it was Home Goods. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating. Here I decided to call my daughter over and ask her if she wanted to go ahead and decorate the letterboard, and she was happy to do so, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. I was actually waiting on an Amazon order that day with some stuff for the living room and some cleaning stuff, so that's what I'm opening right now. And it had been a very long day. It was actually in the evening time, so there I'm showing you the microfiber towels, and then I'm opening the pillow covers, which were very soft and nice, and I love the quality of them, which I'm going to link everything below.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you.
I also ordered a new bin to put Mason's toys in, since the other one he kind of basically bent it up because it's a wire bin. So I got this cloth one to make it a little easier and a little bit more durable, and I'll also probably be storing some throws and stuff like that in there as well.
So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you.
So these pillows actually came with the sofa. I actually got tired of looking at them, so I went ahead and purchased some pillow covers to sprucing up the place a little bit. It's kind of hard finding pillows that I like, and being that the pillows that I do like actually costs a lot of money, and I would have to get, you know, probably like 4 of them. I said I'd go ahead and get these pillow covers just to try to, you know, sprucing up the place a little bit.
Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true. 'Cause we
As you see, I was having a hard time with the pillow until I figured out how to actually, you know, put the cover on properly. So the second one was a lot easier, but I had to actually have my daughter come over just to help me, you know, close it up properly.
yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say?
This spray that I'm using, I actually picked it up from Home Goods a little while ago, and it smells amazing. So I usually spray the pillows, and I'm going ahead and adding a little bit onto the curtain as well.
It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
I will definitely be adding some placemats there later on, the ones that I want to actually from Pottery Barn. And then here I do plan on decorating that a little bit more. I just didn't want to just buy things and just throw it together. I want to buy them if I really like it. So I will be adding stuff there later. And over here, this is the finished product. The flowers over there on that tray was my daughter's idea. And I'm loving how these pillows turned out. The big pillows that you see towards the back, those I actually purchased from Home Goods a while ago, a few months ago. And I just kept the gray pillows on there, but being that I got the covers, I brought the other pillows out and covered them up to add there.
What you gonna do? Feeling in a weekend kind of mood. Don't even try.
And here are the wreaths that I had from before. I told you guys I was gonna just do a little project for them. So I actually covered the wreaths up with the ribbon. And here I'm just adding the leaves and then the other decal for decor. So if you guys want to see me do any more type of DIYs like this, please leave a comment below just to let me know, because I would love to do something and show you guys.
So won't you come on out with me? There's no place I'd rather be. Together we'll escape deep into
I definitely will be sharing any new items that I purchased for fall with you guys. I will, you know, add it to the video. And then also I'm going to definitely be doing some Halloween decor because of the kids. So I'll be sharing all that with you guys later on in the future.
I just wanna take you far away. Don't go to sleep, staying in bed. Gonna pick you up, so be ready to play. You're looking so hot, looking so fine. Baby, for tonight, I want you to be mine. We're going for a ride. We're going for a ride. So won't you come on out with me? Forever young and free. So won't you come on out with me? There's no place I'd rather be. Together we'll escape deep into the night. Just do whatever that.
And there is the finished product. I love how they came out.